If you believe that success is slowly achieved through hard work and intelligence, this story will change your perspective. This is the story of a businessman who became wealthy through his effort and wisdom. However, one mistake forced him to lose everything. If you want to know how greed can push a successful person towards destruction and how Buddha's wisdom can transform life, this story is for you. A long time ago, in a prosperous city, there lived a merchant named Dhanraj. Through his hard work, honesty, and business acumen, he became the wealthiest man in the city. But as time passed, his ambition grew, and gradually greed took hold of him. Dhanraj had been intelligent and hardworking since childhood. He started his business from a small shop and won people's trust with his honesty. Over this year, his business expanded and he became the city's biggest trader. His wealth grew daily, but so did his greed. He no longer just wanted to expand his business, he desired to be the wealthiest and most powerful man in the city. This ambition slowly turned into greed, and his behavior began to change. One day, a struggling businessman came to him for financial help. Previously, Dhanraj was known for his generosity, but now he only cared about his own profit. He lent the money at an extremely high interest rate and planned to seize the merchant asset if he failed to repay the loan. Not only that, but he also started overburdening his employees while reducing their wages. People become displeased with him, but Dhanraj only cared about his wealth. He believed that the more money he accumulated, the more powerful he would become. In this pursuit of wealth, he resorted to dishonesty and fraud. He began selling inferior good at high price and decaying customer. Gradually, people lost trust in him. Other merchants in the city also became upset with him. Once respected, he was now criticized by all. However, Dhamraj remained indifferent, obsessed only with increasing his fortune. One day, disaster struck the city. A Serb drought caused a food and water crisis. This wealthy citizen decided to help those in need, but Dharmraj saw an opportunity to profit. He hoarded grain his warehouse and decided to sell it at exorbitant price. When people approached him for food, he demanded unaffordable prices. As hunger and suffering increases, the townspeople turned against him. Furious, the crowd raided his warehouse and took the stored grain. Dhanraj's downfall began. People abandoned him. The business community boycotted him, and his trade collapsed. Within months, the city's richest man was left destitute. Where entering the stressed Dhanraj eventually arrived at a Buddhist monastery. There he saw a monk deep in meditation. He fell at the monk's feet, narrated his history, and asked, I earned so much wealth, yet I lost everything. Why has my life become so miserable? The monk, one day, the monk merchant Dhanraj, the monk smiled and said, You never practice contentment. Just as a fire burns more fiercely the more fuel it receives, greed never ends. Wealth is not evil, but when it causes others suffering, it becomes the root of your downfall. For the first time, Dhanraj realized how many people he had harmed due to his selfness and greed. He wept and vowed to dedicate the rest of his life to serving others. Wealth was value only when earned through honesty and rightness. A person who chases greed ultimately causes his down destruction. Contentment is the greatest wealth, and compassion is the highest virtue. If you like this story, give this video a thumbs up, share your thought in the comment, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring story. Namo Buddhaya.